that has accumulated on the bags, is removed from the fabric surface, and deposited in a hopper for disposal. This course consists of air pollution, type of air pollution control equipment, bag filters basic operating principles, bag filters classification based on how the fabric is cleaned, factors governing selection of type of filter. What is air to cloth ratio? What is can velocity? Evaluation of the can velocity effect on a bag filter. Types of bags and their design temperature. Filter fabric selection. Types of bag cleaning. It is divided into 3 types. 1. Shaking filter. 2. Reverse air filter. 3. Pulse jet filter. Bag filter fundamentals. Fabric filter control system.